Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be exploring another 1-inch wool applique circle. I hope you'll join me. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell for email notifications. I love hearing from you. Leave me comments. If you haven't done so already, I'd love for you to come along with me on my blog. I blog Tuesdays and Thursdays where art and life meet, and I'm on Instagram and my name, Ariane Zurcher. Grab something to stitch with, grab a needle and some thread, and let's explore the creative process and the stitches that we can use thinking out of the box. I did this single feather stitch. I found that if I did it in the opposite direction twice, I could make it look like a leaf. And I thought, I wonder if I did this on the outside of a circle instead of a leaf shape, how that would look. Or will it look just like a closed fly stitch, which it might, but I'm going to try it and we'll see what it looks like. I think it works best if I keep these small and close together. And then I'll just end it here. And then for the other side, I have to go the opposite direction. Well, it does resemble the closed fly quite a bit. I'm not sure I would know to think it was anything different, but it's, it's still fun to experiment. By the way, I'm using a number 5 weight ECM 12, threaded on a number 18 chenille. Come up where I ended my thread, which was right here. So the only difference is that you get this other interesting kind of edge here, and that really is the only difference from the fly. It's a little harder to control, I find. I'm threading up a number 5 weight ECM 98 on a number 1 Milner's. I'm going to do a series of French knots on the ends of each of these legs. I think I'll do every other leg. And I'll do the other leg on the outside. I'm using my Silken Pearl. It's Antique Roses. I'm threading it on a size 24 chenille. I've marked my center. I was thinking of doing a slip detached chain. Let's see how that looks. So for the slip detached, you do it as you would a detached chain. Then you put your needle down just above the top of the detached chain, and you come down to the side. You then take your needle, I use the back of it so I don't catch anything. You push it through that little stitch that you made at the top, and you come down to the other side. Now I like doing it twice, a double detached chain. I've even done 3. But for this one, I think I'm going to do 2. So then you take your stitch up to the side. It gives it little wings, sort of looking, maybe like a little seed pod or the bud of a little flower. I'm not sure. Anyway, and then you're going to anchor, and then I'm going to come up to the center again for my next detached chain. I want to get more than 4 in here, so I guess I'm going to keep it fairly close. I'm not sure how that's going to look if they overlap, but we'll find out. So there's my next one, slipping the thread through. I'm going to go right into that other one, and then just out to the side, slipping it through. And coming to the other side before going back to center. Coming back out. There's my detached chain. Coming back down, going through that upper stitch that I made, coming down to the other side, and then coming out. And there it is, a little cluster. I'm doing 8 wrap cast-ons in my antique rose silken pearl, threaded on a number 3 Milner's. And I'm just going to keep going here. These pliers, the link is in the description section. I talk about this in the video that I did on the Cast-On Bullion stitch. For the cast-on, I put my thread like this every time, which ensures that it lays, the wraps stay out and not twist in. It's something I discovered, and I've just been doing it ever since. A while ago, I never have it twist up on me since I've been doing this. I don't know if that also will work for right-handed. It may be a left-handed thing, but for lefties, it definitely is a game changer. So there it is. So I started with my single feather stitch that I worked around once and then came back around and did the other side. And I did my French knots every other leg, and then I did the opposite leg on the outside. I did my slip detached chain in the center emanating out. And then I finally ended with my silken pearl cast-on bullions. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this process unfold, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on that bell for email notifications, and talk to me. I love hearing from you, as you know, and really enjoy reading all your comments. So leave me a comment in the comments section. Don't forget to check out the description section. I put all the different threads and my pliers, anything I use. I try to remember to always put a link, and if I don't have it, tell me and I'll put a link. Until next time, here's to exploring together.